hope you are fine now. In this video we are talking about dentcoin, friends. In this video we are talking about the special and urgent updates occur in the dentcoin, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And remember that if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently price of the dentcoin, friends. The price at this time is about 0.010293 USD dollar is the currently price of dentcoin in the market, friends. And if we talk about the price change occur in the dentcoin, so the price change occur in the dentcoin in the last 1 hour as positive 0.01% change occur in the dentcoin, and the last 1 hour, last 1 day price change as a negative, and the last 1 week change is again positive, friends. So that's mean that only the last 1 day price change is negative, friends. What's the reason behind that? Why the last 1 day price change as negative, friends? As you can see here, let's see the last 1 day price prediction chart of the dentcoin, friends. If you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news. That is why I'm asking you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. Last 1 day, friends. If you look, the price change occur negative 5.21%. What's the reason behind that? Why they fast down over and over? Now at this time, the last 1 hour change is positive. Now at this time they again take a jump. But why they fast down? As you can see in this period, why they fast down? The reason is that, friends, that as you know, today is the 4th May 2021, and it is the start of a new month, friends. That is why they fast down, friends. That is why the change is in negative, friends, due to the starting of new month, friends. But now don't worry about this fast. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction change is positive. Now they again take a jump, and I hope this jump is continue for a long term, friends. What's your opinion about this jump? Can this jump is continue for a long term or not, please? I think there is a 70% chances to this jump continue for a long term, friends, and 30% chances to get fast down again, friends. So, friends, negative 5.21% net change occur in the dentcoin in the last 1 day, and the highest price is about 0.011533 USD dollar, friends. And if you want to buy a dentcoin at this time, so at this time price of dentcoin in the market live is about 0.010305 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price in the market, friends. So what's your opinion about dentcoin? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, friends, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.